مگه میشه؟ مگه همینو نمیخواستی؟ مگه چند سالته؟ مگه نمیدونی؟ مگه فرقی هم میکنه؟ سلام، امروز درسمون در مورد مگه هست. مگه در واقع یک واژه پرسشی است که یک تعجبی پشتش قایم شده. Let's go and see the examples. دیر شده؟ مگه ساعت چنده؟ It's late? What time is it then? So as a normal question, you can ask ساعت چنده? What time is it? But if you add مگه, then it shows you are surprised. You can't believe it's late. We have a phrase مگه نه. For this phrase, I'll have a separate video in the future. ببینم مگه امروز شنبه نیست؟ Let me see. Isn't it Saturday today? خودت بهم گفتی. مگه یادت رفته؟ You told me yourself. Have you forgotten or did you forget? چرا بیداری هنوز؟ مگه صبح زود نباید بری سر کار؟ Why are you still awake? Shouldn't you go to work early in the morning? مگه میشه دوستت نداشته باشم؟ How can I not love you? مگه میشه means is it ever possible? Is it ever possible that I don't love you? How can I not love you? مگه قرار نبود ساعت 4 اینجا باشی؟ Weren't you supposed to be here at 4 o'clock? مگه نمیدونستی فروشگاه‌ها بستند؟ امروز تعطیله. Didn't you know that the shops are closed? It's a holiday today. 2 تا بچه داره؟ مگه چند سالشه؟ He or she has 2 children, 2 kids. How old is she? چرا هنوز ناراحتی؟ مگه مشکلت حل نشد؟ Why are you still upset or sad? Is your problem not solved? مگه میشه اینجا رو دوست نداشت؟ Again we have مگه میشه. How could one not like this place? Or how is it possible not to like this place? مگه بهت نگفته بودم دیر نیا؟ Didn't I tell you not to come late? مگه تولدت فردا نیست؟ Is your birthday not tomorrow? If you would like to help me to continue creating videos for you, and if you'd like to have extra content like examples, quizzes, and so on, please join my Patreon. مگه هنوز اونجا زندگی میکنی؟ Do you still live there? As I said, if you ask without مگه, it's a simple question. Do you still live there? But مگه adds your surprise. You can't believe he or she still lives there. چرا همه نشستید؟ مگه نمیریم بیرون؟ Why are you all sitting? Aren't we going out? مگه نمیخوای کمکت کنم؟ پس به حرفم گوش بده. Don't you want me to help you? So listen to me. چرا نمیای تو آب؟ مگه شنا بلد نیستی؟ Why don't you come into the water? Don't you know how to swim? مگه دکتر نگفت باید استراحت کنی؟ Didn't the doctor tell you that you should rest? خب دلم نخواست بهت بگم. مگه مهمه؟ Well, I didn't want to tell you. Does it ever matter? مگه تو دوست من نیستی؟ Aren't you my friend? چرا آماده نیستی؟ مگه نمیای؟ Why are you not ready? Aren't you coming? باز هم پول میخوای؟ مگه هفته پیش بهت پول ندادم؟ Do you want money again? Didn't I give you money last week? So if you ask it without مگه, it's just a yes-no question. But this مگه shows I'm surprised why this person needs money again. مگه پیامم رو نخوندی؟ Didn't you read my message? مگه تموم نشد؟ چقدر طولانیه. Isn't it over? How long it is. پس چرا غذا نرسید؟ مگه سفارش ندادی؟ Why didn't the food arrive or come? Didn't you order it? چرا جواب نمیدی؟ مگه نمیشنوی؟ Why don't you answer? Can't you hear? مگه نمیبینی دارم کار میکنم؟ Don't you see I'm working? Or can't you see I'm working? پیاده شیم؟ مگه رسیدیم؟ We must get off? Are we there? چرا ناراحت شدی؟ مگه من چی گفتم؟ Why did you get upset or sad? What did I say? چرا نخریدی؟ مگه قیمتش چند بود؟ Why didn't you buy it? How much was it? مگه میشناسیش؟ Do you know her or do you know him? As a normal question, it's do you know her? میشناسیش؟ But with مگه, it shows my surprise. How can this person knows the other person? فهمیدی چی گفت؟ مگه فارسی بلدی؟ You got or you understood what he said? Do you know Persian? مگه چقدر راهه که باید تاکسی بگیریم؟ How far is it that we need to take a taxi? مگه همین رو نمیخواستی؟ Didn't you want this? Wasn't it your wish? مگه من هم دعوتم؟ Am I also invited? مگه قول ندادی که دیگه این کار رو نکنی؟ Didn't you promise not to do this again?